Technology creates the miracle, color changes the life. The world inkjet print industry is moving forward fearlessly. Under the reflection of the century's dawn, Xenons, with its strong researchability, excellent product quality, and unique application scheme, will show unique charm in modern inkjet technology and fashion elements. Xenons, supplier of complete equipment of professional digital inkjet technology and application scheme. In 2010, Xenons grasped the market trend and arose at the right moment. Xenons is a company specialized in the research of digital inkjet control technology system, which successfully developed the first-generation network print control system and printing equipment in the invoice industry. It is also a company grasping excellent micro-piezoelectric control technology and is currently the only company with an unlimited number of nozzle parallel technology meanwhile. Dozens of independent research and development of the technology of Xenons has obtained the National Patent Certificate. A number of self-developed software fare widespreadly used in many professional fields. In 2012, Xenons was rated as high-tech enterprise. In 2014, Finance Department, Science and Technology Department jointly was awarded. Xenons Factory as a comprehensive pilot unit of national modern service industry. Series of products of Xenons have been awarded the famous brand products by industry authority. Big enterprise needs big horizon. Big enterprise should have more clear strategic planning. Xenons adheres to the philosophy of developing together with industry, growing together with the user, with the aim of creating outstanding enterprise of globalization. Achieve Xenons its world brand. To achieve this goal, we focus on inkjet technology area and innovate constantly. Innovation is the core competitiveness of the company. Since its establishment, our company Xenons will successfully launch 2 to 3 industry cutting-edge new technology products and successfully created industry well-known brands like Xenons, Winner, Coltex, and so on. We provide high quality of consumables that comprehensive matched. Currently, our company set up a number of production lines of inkjet printer, hybrid printer, sublimation printer, and UV printer, specialized in the production of all kinds of digital printing equipment. Product applications involving advertising, wallpaper and wall cloth, sealing soft film, cotton cloth and chemical fiber printing, leather printing, and so on industries. From equipment accuracy, print management to color correction, each link let customer have top quality printing result. For a long time, Xenons, based on the market, constantly improves the product quality and optimizes the product structure. From raw materials procurement, semi-finished products processing to finished products. Every working procedure is equipped with advanced testing instruments through layers of detections. Each index reaches or exceeds industry standards to make sure each machine's qualified rate is 100%. Today's Xenons, with its strength and global vision, develops step by step in the direction of internationalizing enterprise. Our company has sales partners and service center in more than 60 countries and regions in the world, accumulated more than 20,000 users, and wins a piece of praise in the market with high-quality products and perfect after-sales service. Xenons, supplier of complete equipment of professional digital inkjet technology and application scheme. Looking forward to the future, our opportunity is enormous. Our company, Xenons, will try our best to use leading technology and market advantage to meet the functional demand of inkjet technology used in multi-industry and become the world-leading supplier of inkjet technology equipment and application scheme.